Is there anyone that doesn't like plantain chips? Because I love me some crunchy plantain chips, and that's what we'll be making today. These chips can be served at home and can also be used for commercial purpose. To make these crunchy chips, I'll be using 3 unripe plantains, though the plantains are not totally unripe because I want my plantain chips to have the natural sweet taste. This plantain, if given few days, is going to get ripe. So this is the type of plantain I like to use for my chips. I don't like using totally unripe plantains. So I like to use plantains that are not ripe but they are also not unripe. I hope you get the deal. So I'll go ahead to peel the plantain. You'll be needing a sharp knife to carry this out because unripe plantains are a bit hard to peel. After getting the peel off, it's time to slice the plantain. The secret to get a crunchy plantain chips is to get the perfect slice. The plantain slice must not be too thick. You have to get your perfect slice, like it has to be a bit filmy like this. You can see it's not too thick, so make sure your knife is sharp to get a perfect plantain chips. You can also use a slicer to make your plantain chips. I'll be showing that as the video goes on, but for now I'll be slicing it with my sharp knife. So this is what slicing with a knife looks like. Let's see what slicing with a slicer looks like. So this is the size the slicer gave us. It was too filmy for me, so I preferred the slice the knife was giving me. So I won't be using the slicer, but if you like the size the slicer gives, you can go ahead to use the slicer to save you the stress of using your knife to slice the plantains. I'm done slicing, so the next thing I'm going to be doing now is just to add in a bit of salt to the plantains. I like the taste of salt in my plantain chips. It just lifts up the taste of the plantain. Because I didn't use totally unripe plantain, my plantain chips is still going to be sweet without using sugar, without adding sugar. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to set a pot of oil on fire. I'll allow this get hot. While it's getting hot, I'm going to test it with one plantain. When the plantain floats up, then my oil is ready for my chips to be fried. I'll be dropping in the plantain into the oil one by one because I don't want them to stick together. But you can as well pour in as much plantain as you want at the same time. But I don't like it sticking together. That's why I prefer dropping it into the oil one by one. I'm going to fry the plantains for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So for now I'm frying one side. So after 3 minutes I'm going to stir the plantain. I'm going to like move it to the other side, then allow that to also fry for 3 minutes. So for you to know your plantain has gotten fried, the bubbles in the oil is going to reduce and your plantains will also change color to golden brown from bright yellow. So now my plantains are already changing color, so it's time for me to scoop them out of the oil. And here is the end result, very crunchy and very tasty, perfectly fried. I'm going to break it and let you see how crunchy and crisp this plantain is. It is easily broken, even a toddler can eat this. It is not hard and it doesn't make your mouth ache. So for those that will be using this for commercial purpose, you can get a nylon like this and put in your plantain chips. You can add branded names if you want, then you just seal it and tag it with a price. tada, business don't start. Business has started. So you can package it well. You can package it in a container, that's a plastic container, and supply to supermarkets, supply to schools, supply to hotels, supply to offices. This can serve as a side business for you. And people love plantain chips. So if you are looking forward to starting a plantain chips business, just hop on this and give it a try. If you have any questions for me concerning plantain chips, drop it in the comment section and I'll gladly respond to it. Thank you for watching. Bye.